Google Play Store's new warning system explained, "Protect yourself from low-quality apps in 2025." If you're an Android user, you might have noticed that the app landscape is changing, and for the better. Google has taken a bold step to clean up its Play Store, tackling the issue of low-quality apps that can bring unwanted surprises like adware, scams, and even dangerous malware. Last year, Google announced its commitment to removing these troublesome apps, and now, they've rolled out a new feature that will help you make smarter choices about what to install on your device. So, what's the scoop? According to Android Authority, the Play Store now features an app quality warning system. This means that if an app has potential quality issues, you'll see a bright yellow alert box right on its Play Store page. This warning will highlight concerns such as frequent uninstalls, low user engagement, and a small user base. It's a fantastic addition that empowers you to make informed decisions about the apps you choose to download. But don't just ignore these warnings. If you see an app with a quality alert, it's wise to think twice before hitting that install button. While it doesn't necessarily mean the app is dangerous, it does provide valuable context about what you can expect. The goal here is to help you avoid cluttering your phone with low-quality apps that don't deliver on their promises. The quality warnings are displayed as a yellow box beneath the app's title, giving you a quick snapshot of its performance compared to similar apps. This is a significant shift away from relying solely on download numbers and star ratings, which can often be manipulated. Now, you have a clearer picture of an app's reliability and user satisfaction. Of course, it's not all black and white. As Android Authority points out, just because an app has a warning doesn't mean it's a no-go. It's all about providing you with more information so you can gauge whether the app is worth your time. Plus, this new system is likely to push developers to improve their apps, ensuring a better experience for everyone. Google has long emphasized its 4 pillars of app quality, which set the standard for developers looking to get their apps onto the Play Store. However, many apps have slipped through the cracks, offering far less quality than users expect. While technical quality and security are crucial, the overall user experience and value an app provides are equally important. As we move into 2025, it's clear that Google is making significant strides in enhancing the Android experience. With the latest Android 15 update focusing on security and privacy, Google is working hard to close the gap with iPhone. Even artificial intelligence is getting in on the action, with new features for live threat detection and scam protection. This new quality warning system is just one more layer of protection for users, and it's a welcome change in the ever-evolving world of mobile apps.